Man, when I say this stock trading strategy is so easy, if you are a beginner, you can do it. If you are a whole vet in the game, is what I call it, you're going to wish you would have been here on this side. Anyways, if you're new here, hi, my name is Paris Smith, and I was able to retire myself from the 9 to 5 at 24 years old. Yes, I left the 9 to 5, not because I wanted to, because I had to. Why? Because I have a chronic disease called juvenile type 1 diabetes, is where I am relying on insulin and insulin pump to stay alive. And I was so sick, literally, but sick and tired of just all the things that was going on while I was trying to go to work, make a living, and take care of myself and my family. So I had to go. So I ended up leaving at 24 years old and doing this very strategy that I talk about all over on this channel allowed me to make income, reliable income, consistent income by trading. If you're interested in learning about this trading strategy, where we don't day trade, okay? Because I don't have time for day trading. I don't have to read charts either. I don't have to look at those indicators and all of that stuff. It literally takes me less, than 3 minutes a week to trade. Super simple strategy. We trade the same stocks over and over and over and over again. So if you're interested in learning more about the strategy, I have the link in the description, a free stock trading masterclass, all the information you need to learn all about it, and even my strategy on how I fired that man at 24 years old. All right, so let's get into the video. All right, so let me go to it. Happy Money Making Monday, first of all. It's June 1st, and I trade, of course, the same two stocks, Delta, and I also traded ticker symbol B, Barrick. Now, when I woke up this morning, found a letter that she wrote. Okay, now listen. When I looked at the stock market before I traded this morning, I said, my God, okay, how Delta get to $80? Anyway, I love to see it. So Delta, we can start there. I traded 3 contracts, just like last week, of Delta. Let's see, and I made in total $388.44. Then I went over to ticker symbol B and traded 2 contracts. In total, well, from the 2 contracts, I made $160.95 in total. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see how much I made in total today. Oh, here we go. I go to my transactions. Okay, in total, I made $549.39. I think I did well. If y'all been coming on here and, to see like what I'm trading, my profits, and like coming along with me on this journey, yeah, I probably noticed that there's a range. So for example, I'll tell you like the last 4 weeks I traded, and I'll also do a video too, because I don't know, I haven't calculated how much I made yet. But anyways, so this week, oh wait, we got to go back. So we in a new month. So let's go back. So last week I did $652. And by the way, I haven't, like, all the amount of contracts is, it's not 3 contracts of Delta, 2 of Barrick. It moves, okay? So I think I did like 4 contracts of Delta, and I had to decrease it by 1 because the stock ran up. So just keep that in mind. So it might be like 1 or 2 contracts off, higher or lower, whatever. All right. So last week, on the 27th, let's see, where am I? Okay, I did $652.38. The week before that, let me find it. The week before that, I did $502. Okay. The week before that, I did $541.92. And then the week before that, I did $447.39. So if y'all see, it's a little range going on, a little range going on. And yeah, so this is literally how I was able to leave my 9-to-5 through trading this strategy. Basically, you're investing in the stocks first, and then you're trading against your investment, and that trading brings in a premium. So all the stocks that, well, most stocks in the market, not every stock offers a premium, not penny stocks and stuff like that, but good stocks with fundamentals offer a premium. And so you purchase the shares, you trade against it, you take in a premium, and it tells you how much you're making before you even submit the trade, which that's why I love this trading strategy so much, because I don't have to cross my fingers and hope that I'm about to make some money. It's not that. I can look and see how much I'm making before I even click submit trade. And so this account, though, I'm bringing y'all on a journey. I started this account last year in April. And when I say I have grown this thing significantly, I am like, wow, if you did it before, you can do it again. Because listen, you know how they say if you build up your account one time, it might be luck. But if you can do it again and 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 again, baby, that's skill. And so this account here, now last year I wasn't planning on like sharing my profits and stuff like that and bringing it to YouTube and all of that. I built this account, I started this account because I wanted to pay for different things. So like I had an event last year that I was paying for. That was a lot of money that I had to pay for. All kinds of stuff that I utilized this account. I call it my play money account. And so I literally wanted to take the profits and like play, you know what I mean? Like blow it or give back or reinvest or whatever it is that I wanted to do with it. That was my plan. But then I was like, you know what? let me see something. Let me bring people on a journey and teach my students and stuff like that, you know, my strategies and what I plan on investing in, why I'm investing in it, just for like educational purposes, because I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. And I just became obsessed. I started taking all the profits from trading and putting it into long term. And then I just kept doing it over and over again, over and over again, over and over again. Every time the market slide is red, oh, I'm about to purchase. Okay. And I did it over and over again. And yeah, and I'm like, wow, like my students, y'all gonna see, okay? When I log in, y'all gonna see the account value, because y'all been seeing where I started at. Okay. And I'm gonna show y'all the value. Okay. We got coaching tonight, actually an hour. Oh, an hour and 30 minutes. And one thing that I'm super excited in this season right now, like at first, I was all about trading the strategy, trade, because the goal was to leave my 9-to-5. I needed that income. So all of my focus, my grind, my money, all of my everything was going into purchasing shares so I can trade and make profit, consistent income, right? Cool. Now, I'm freaking out because it was a spider on my window. Okay, so anyways, now like in this season, I am like super obsessed with my buy and hold. I've always loved buying and holding, but it wasn't like, you know, putting together a whole game plan. Like recently, I would say like the last 2 years, I've been super focused on my buy and hold. And of course, building my income. Like that's always going to be there. I will always continue reinvesting, buying more shares to trade and increasing my income for sure. But when you buy and hold and you could purchase a share at a discount, you sit on your hands and you see that thing go up, sometimes double, triple, quadruple, and you don't do nothing. And not only that, if the stock have a dividend, you're making another income. I said, hold on now. Now, last year, this particular account that I'm sharing with y'all and my students that's here, y'all know, I know y'all tune in all the time. So that the account that I started last year, my Play Money account, I started like investing on down days, investing my profits into long term and stuff like that. And I was just like, oh my God, like this is so much fun. Like this is so much fun. And I know last year when Uncle Donnie took office and stuff, the market was crazy because of all the chaos that was going on, like the trade wars. And boy, did I take advantage of every trade war. And now when y'all see my broker account, okay, when I log in today, students, and y'all see my broker account, I'm proud of myself. Proud of myself. So I am like really obsessed with buy and holds real bad. Of course, cover calls and, you know, and all the other things and the everything. Of course. Love it. But I feel like that buy and hold, that's how you build wealth. That right there hit different. Okay? That right there hit different. Now, trading, you in and out fast. Like you in and out. You know, a week, 2 weeks, 30 days, right? You in and out. Buy and hold. Now, people don't like buy and hold because you literally have to have patience, sit on your hands. That you have to weather the storm. You know, when the market crash a little bit, not crash, but pull back, or maybe there's like a reset or whatever happens in the market. It's a little bloody. That's what people like to sell. So you definitely have to get to a point where you are not scary anymore. I'm not scary no more. Okay, first of all, I've been in this game for 6 years, almost 7 years. I ain't scared no more. And when the if we have another market crash, oh happy day, oh happy day. Listen, because I've read so many books. I've learned so much by doing, just by trading, by just researching. Only if I did this when I was 5 years old. When I was newborn. Shoot, working a daggone 9 to 5, who? So I could live out of passion and not program like a daggone robot. Only if I would have started at 5 years old. But I'm grateful to be here where I am today. That's for sure. So grateful. So, yeah. So, what I'm thinking about doing with my account right now. I was thinking about this today. Because y'all know we in June now. And it's like, first of all, I have to calculate how much I made in May. That's one thing. I'll bring that video to you guys this week. But also, June is here. And my birthday is coming up. July 3rd, okay? And I'm like, do I want to use this money? Because it's my Play Money account. Do I want to use this money and find a place that got turquoise waters and white sand for my birthday? Or do I want to take this money, and reinvest it? Like, what do I want to do? So I'll let y'all know. Of course, I'm moving towards the investing because right now I feel like the best time is now. Although we're at all-time highs and stuff, I'll do a video on that too. Although we're at all-time highs, yes we are. But right now is the absolute best time. And there's so many sectors. There's so many different companies that my eyes are on, and I can use that. I can use that. Yeah, so I feel like I would be like missing out if I use the money for turquoise waters and white sand. It don't make sense. The math ain't mathing. So I'm thinking, I don't know what I want to do yet. You know what I mean? I don't know what I want to do yet. Dip into the monies or let it stack and reinvest. So anyways, y'all, I am done here. Okay, I'm about to hurry up so I can get home and have this phenomenal coaching call with my community. If you're interested in learning more about trading this strategy, I would love to have you at the free stock trading masterclass. During the masterclass, there is an opportunity for you to join the community and rock with your girl. Okay? But anyways, with that being said, I'm Paris Smith, that Wealth Chick. I hope this video was good to you. It was good to me. And with that being said, I got to go. Bye!